Welcome to Greenathon, a mission where creativity meets conscience. This isn't about applause. It's about shaping a sustainable future. In a world facing climate change, your team will craft eco-friendly products as symbols of hope and responsibility. Stage 1. Innovate and build. Get hands-on. Create stunning terrariums and vegan leather bags using sustainable materials, blending function, fashion, and purpose. Stage 2. Brand and present. Bring your products to life with a strong brand message. Design your green display and pitch why your creations matter in today's world. Stage 3. Gift and impact. End on a powerful note by donating your eco-products to communities or green groups, spreading awareness and inspiring change. Greenathon isn't just a challenge. It's a step toward mindful living. Walk away with purpose, pride, and a greener vision for tomorrow.